How to use the low glucose predict feature in your daily diabetes management. You'll find this feature on the home screen of the Accu-Chek SmartGuide Predict app. It only appears when your glucose is likely to drop below a safe level within the next 30 minutes. Let's see how you could use this feature to stay safe while being active. Meet Monica. She's trying to be more active because her doctor said exercise could help lower her glucose levels, which are often too high despite regular insulin injections. Going for walks has helped her to lower her glucose, but sometimes it goes too low and she has to stop and rest. Today, Monica wants to check her glucose levels before she goes out. Having viewed her current values in the Accu-Chek SmartGuide app, she can easily switch to the Predict app and see her upcoming values. They're predicted to stay in range, but the app doesn't know about Monica's upcoming walk, which is likely to lower her glucose levels. It's possible that she could have low glucose later, even though the prediction says it will remain stable. Fortunately, she always takes a cereal bar when she goes out, so she's prepared for the possibility of low glucose later. Although Monica isn't sure how much her glucose will drop while walking, she knows the Predict app will monitor her glucose levels and keep her informed about any changes. The low glucose predict feature is enabled and will let Monica know if low glucose is likely within the next 30 minutes. She just needs to make sure that she can see, hear, or feel any notifications while she's out walking. If she gets a notification, she can stop and check the situation in the Predict app. She always has some glucose tablets and a cereal bar in her pocket, which she could eat if low glucose is predicted and she needs to stabilize her glucose levels. Monica feels more in control of her diabetes now, knowing that she can manage her glucose levels while integrating more exercise into her routine. You can find information about what to consider when using the predictions, including situations when they might be less reliable or unavailable, in the CGM Learning Center. Thank you for choosing the Accu-Chek SmartGuide CGM solution.